Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter for your BMW N20, N26 and N47 engine. The air filter is located underneath this plastic piece, and to get to it we're going to have to pop off the 3 rubber grommets and then undo 4 of these metal clips, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. So I've already kind of popped off these two over here on the side. And then before we can take off the last one, we should undo these clips. So you can just grab a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool and push those off. Now get the last grommet. And we can see our air filter under here. Just pick it up and lift it out. If you're wondering why that one looks different, it's because that's an AFE Pro Dry S washable filter. And I'm just going to put an OE filter in the meantime while I clean this one and let it dry. So now that the old filter is out, we'll need to put the new one in. And if you look at the filter, this is the intake side, so the airflow goes from bottom to top, and then this ridge is what rests the filter in here. So all this stuff should be pointing down. Some filters have this kind of woolly type material on the bottom and some don't. This is referred to as a snow filter. So if you're in an area that doesn't really have any snow, or there's really no chance of any snow getting in there and coming up and soaking this paper element, you really don't need it. So to put it in, we'll just lift this up, drop it in there, make sure it's seated all around, and then we can go ahead and drop this top plastic piece on. Now I find when you reconnect it, it's easier to bring the bottom up to the top. So we'll bring the bottom up to the top and just get a couple of those clips started to hold it. So we'll finish fastening these metal clips first. Just push it up and over till it locks, and then we can go back and push the main plastic top back onto the 3 grommets. And that's it. Congratulations, you've changed your air filter.